Muhoozi with a serious tweet today. He woke up with a kind of tweet that many people have been wondering what might have been going on with the general CDF of Uganda. So the first tweet, which he tweeted at exactly 4 a.m. on the 24th of August, that is today. He said, when I become president of this beautiful country, anyone who doubts it will be in trouble. That's the first tweet that Muhoozi made this very morning. The second tweet that Muhoozi made is this one came at exactly 6 a.m. where he said, Jesus Christ, the King of Kings, is a Ugandan. He lives near Mbara. When the world understands that, they will find peace. So that's the second tweet that Muhoozi made today. Just like it is said, Muhoozi is back with his cryptic tweet. In his third tweet on X, just at exactly 6:27 a.m., Muhoozi said the white Americans like big black buffoons, and he put into bracket BBB. Then he went ahead to say, I thank Almighty God that Uganda has avoided that forever. They will learn to respect us. So I think the media content managers, the social media managers of CDF Muhoozi did not sleep tonight. They have been busy, and this is what they've been busy on. So the social media managers of Muhoozi, again, still on X, posted a photo of President Museveni, and then with a text, this is a decree to all my supporters and followers. From now on until the end of time, whenever you put up my portrait, you must also acknowledge my father, the greatest president in Africa. So this one, these boys, the media managers of Muhoozi, are sending a message that it is a must for you to acknowledge the father as the greatest president in Africa. This tweet came at exactly 6 a.m. Another one which was dropped early this morning at 7:55 a.m. stated, I'm used to my treatment in Europe. The bullies are always upset by me. I always attract the most beautiful women. It drives them crazy. I am coming back home. Do not arrest me. So Muhoozi says whenever he's in Europe, he attracts the most beautiful women. So you don't know whether his meaning is a womanizer or what. So big respect to the CDF, and those are the tweets which he has been making, and many people believe it is cryptic, and some people even say he posted himself when he is drunk. Others say maybe social media managers smoke marijuana. So it is hard to know the truth, and that is it. It is his own tweets, his own words. So let's pick only one reaction. There's a guy who posted a photo tying somebody's mouth and with a phone, and the neck is put inside a hole, and then he tweeted at exactly 7:24 a.m. saying that the only way to stop Muhoozi from posting while drunk. That's what the guy, how he reacted. Still, in another update related to General Muhoozi, is a tweet also at 8:36 p.m. yesterday, the 23rd of August, where a Twitter user by the name Mr. Jordan said, thank you, King of Diplomacy, General Kainerugaba, for your exceptional diplomacy. Your successful negotiation of $100 million donation from Russia for the UPDF demonstrates a deep dedication to strengthening international partnerships and enhancing our national defense capabilities. So that is it. But what is concerning about this treaty is it exposes Russian failure for de-dollarization. Remember, Russia has been advocating for dissing the dollar. But why are they donating in dollar, in the currency of the United States? Why didn't they donate in BRICS? So this is a sign that they have failed their campaign for de-dollarization. Lastly, on the other side, still on the matter of Muhoozi, remember Ojara Mapenduzi, who is the MP of Guru West, was assigned yesterday to represent General Muhoozi in Pakwach. Now he also updated people. He said the youth leaders in Pakwach have spoken. Ofoyo Manda Haraga, we are in this together, today, tomorrow, and the future, and most importantly, for our country. Thank you, our chairman, General MK, and thank you, PLU. So that is what Mapenduzi had to say after he was dedicated to represent Muhoozi in Pakwach. Thank you.